Hello everybody, my name is Nadia and I am currently waiting for Zero Makeup to send me my Never Have I Ever Beauty Edition questions. So, I'm waiting. Okay, I got my questions. So, never have I ever slept with makeup on. I'm guilty. I have slept with makeup on. Worst thing ever. I haven't done it in like the last year. Thankfully, my skin is doing so well right now and I just don't want to mess that up. I've learned from my mistakes and I will never ever sleep with makeup on again. Never have I ever left the house with a noticeable foundation line. I think I sometimes still do this. I think I'm guilty. Like I might still do this sometimes. Yeah, I think I have a problem. Like sometimes I forget to like blend into my neck. Like, girl, I don't know what's going on there, but I need to like sort it out. I always have like my mom or like my sister be like, you know, you haven't like blended here. Like I can see the line. So that's problematic. Never have I ever been a part of a makeup trend that I regret. I think for me, I went through this phase where I felt like I had to have so much foundation on. Like I had to look like an airbrushed, like porcelain Barbie doll. I regret that. Like I did not do my skin any favors like by doing that. I don't know why I did that. Or maybe like excessive contour. I think I also went through I went through a phase where I would like contour and like lines, like, oh my god, why would I didn't like blend it. Like I don't know what was happening there. Okay, question number 4. Never have I ever never have I ever gotten makeup on someone's clothes after hugging them. I am so guilty of this. I mean, like I do this with like my friends. Like I'll go give them a hug and they'll be wearing like a white t-shirt or a white hoodie and I just like, you know, pull back and I'm like, my face is on their shirt. Like it's like orange on their shirt. So I'm sorry to all my friends that I've ever done that to. Number 5. Never have I ever had an allergic reaction to a beauty product. I have. I was using a foundation, I think from the pharmacy a while back, and it was like full coverage, and I have eczema, and when I would use this foundation, I would like have a breakout of eczema like on my neck, on my face. It was really problematic. But now I really am very minimal with the amount of makeup I try to use, because it's just, I mean, that's also why I love Zero. Like it's so compact. Everything I need is in like this one palette, and I don't have to like excessively put on all this foundation, all this contour to feel like I look good. So that's just a side note. Never have I ever cried and ruined my mascara. I cry and ruin my mascara like every day, I think. I mean, I'll see something really sad and I'll cry, like I'll start to tear up, or I'll see something really cute and like a cute little couple and I'll just like start to tear up and I'm like, why did I ruin my mascara? Or, you know, like go to class. When I used to have lectures, I would go to my class and, you know, take an exam and then leave and cry, because, you know, who doesn't after an exam? Number 7. Never have I ever gone several months without washing my brushes. Like, why'd you have to do me like this? I think the last time I washed my brushes, this is so bad. 2 months ago. And like, that's bad. bad. I'm gonna wash my brushes after this video. Oh my gosh, I'm so upset. Like, why did I have to think? Why? I want to get up and wash my brushes now. Should I get, no, I'll finish this and then I'll wash my brushes. Number 8, never have I ever gone around all day with lipstick on my teeth. Thankfully, no, because I have this really, really horrible habit of just like every time I like leave the house or I like, you know, do anything, I like pull out my little palette and I just check my teeth. I'm like, okay, I'm good to go. Even in the middle of a dinner, I will pull out my palette and check out my teeth. So I know I don't have makeup on my teeth. Okay, number 9. Never have I ever used my makeup way past its expiration date. I do this. This is bad. I do this. And I don't do it on purpose. I just don't realize that like sometimes makeup expires and that's a thing. So I use it and I use it and I use it, and then one day, you know, I'll be bored just like looking at the bottle and it's expired. As long as I don't have an allergic reaction, I think that's like not a bad thing. I don't know, can like someone tell, is there like a really big problem with expired makeup? Like, can you comment and let me know? I need to know. Now I need to know. Never have I ever poked my eyes while applying an eyeliner. No, not eyeliner. I poke my eyes while applying mascara all the time. And then I start tearing from that. So like my mascara starts running. I'm like doing my mascara, I poke my eye, and then I start to tear, and then my mascara starts to go down my face, and it's a really bad cycle. Never have I ever used zero makeup. Listen, I have it like this is the zero blush. This is the zero pout that I'm wearing on my lips right now. Like, I have the color corrector, the concealer under my eyes. Like, I swear by this palette. This is good for you. This is an investment in your beauty, in your future. Like, I use this every single day, and I'm not even joking about it. I use the color Ivory. I'm a bit like tan on my body, but quite light on my face. So it's the perfect color. And honestly, I swear by this palette. I haven't had an allergic reaction to it. I use it every day, and like, you can tell that I use it every day. Like, so yeah, you can also get a discount at Zero Makeup with my code, which is Zero Loves Nadia 15 for 15% off. This brand has like changed the way I do my makeup. So thank you for tuning in to my Never Have I Ever Beauty Edition. I loved doing this. This was, you know, I got called out on a couple things I shouldn't be doing, but you live and you learn. So I'm gonna go wash my makeup brushes. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you all soon. Mwah.